Yo guys, what's up? It's Killer Boy here again today with another video where today we're playing on Futbin, which is a draft, pack opener, squad builder, stuff like that on the internet. Unfortunately, I'm not logged in. I lost my account. Yeah, that's sad. So, we are back. We have the Team of the Year pack, the Team of the Season pack, and the Team of the Week pack. We're not going to be opening the Silver pack, because that's so bad. So, which one should we open first? Which one should we open first? Let's go for the small one. Team of the Week! Team of the Week. Let's see what we get. Okay, we're back. We're in. Who is it? It's Sanchez! Yeah, he's pretty good. He's not bad. Not that bad. Let's go for the next pack. Sanchez isn't that bad. Obviously, I can't save them to my account because I'm not logged in. We get PK. We get PK. Not a bad start. Not a bad start. How much does PK sell for? PK, oh, he sells for 21k. I play on PS4, so he only sells for 21k. Okay, we're in. This pack only sells for about 50k. I need a good player. I need a good player. I need a good player. I got Sanchez again. Like, is everyone packing Sanchez or what? Sanchez. He sells for 47k. 47k. Oh my. Okay, next pack. These are Team of the Week, so they're not that good. What do we get? We get Killer Navas. You know what? These packs are not that good. We're gonna go and open some new packs. So, I'm gonna open first. I'm gonna open about 10 of these ones and then 10 of these ones. So, let's see. Who do we get in the Team of the Season pack? Oh, we got a Team of the Season. 99 pace. How much does he sell for? 47. What? Only 47k. Are you mad? Oh my. Let's see what we get. Okay, we get Adler. This pack wasn't that good. So next pack of these. Oh, we get Eriksson. 93 rated. Boom. That's how we do it. 499k. What? He sells for none on Xbox. But he sells for 49k on PS4. That's all I care about. That's literally all I care about. What's the next pack? Whoo! Okay. Ooh, Lacazette. Ooh, is he good? Kind of. He's kind of good, but we need better. We need better packs. Much better packs. Okay, who's this? Okay. Oh no! Oh, Douglas Costa. Oof. Kinda. But I'm good with 92 pace. But yeah, the rate. I can't really complain, but I have to. Because these are Team of the Season packs, and I'm not getting any Team of the Seasons. I only got 2 Team of the Seasons. I need give me Messi, Ronaldo. Give me those players, like Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar maybe. He's pretty bad. I'm getting silver players in 125k packs. Wow. Okay, let's go. Oh, we got Neymar! We got Neymar! Yeah, we got Neymar! Neymar! 232k. Yes! Okay. Okay, that's a good. That's really, really, really good. Okay. Who do we get? Who we getting? Carrasco. Not that good. He can do 88 pace, but not that good. Okay. Who's this? Who do we get? Oh, it's Gaetan. Ooh. Not that good. I need better. Oh man. Danny! 83 rated and a 125k pack. So I'm gonna open a few more of these, then I'm gonna move on to the Team of the Year packs. Because I might get 1 or 2 Team of the Years. Oh, Team of the Season. Oh. I thought it was gonna be someone good, not Jonathas. Or Jonathas. 52k! Are you mad? For a Team of the Season? Are you mad? 52k is like nothing. Varane, oof. Oh, he's actually pretty good, but 6k? No. Okay, we need some better packs. Not gonna do like really good packs. Like, I want Team of the Season Messi or Team of the Season Ronaldo. Oh. I've packed Team of the Season Ericsson. That's the only like good one I've got so far. Team of the Season Ericsson. That's the only one. And I've packed Neymar. Oh, David Luiz. Okay, this is my last Team of the Season pack. If we have time, I'll open them at the end. But for now, this is my last Team of the Season. 125k pack. Come on. Oh, Team of the Season. Guilano. He's 91 rated. That's good. Oh, so I ended the packs on a good player. I'm happy with that. I am happy with that. Guilano on our last pack. 157k. Pretty good. Team of the Year. Okay. Who do we get? I'm good with 89 pace, but Sturridge, seriously? 8k? Okay. Oh, yes! Neuer, there we go. Some good packs. Neuer, there we go. Neuer. Yes. Okay. Who do we get? Oh, it's Coke. Okay. That wasn't going as I planned. We have got some pretty decent players, but like we need some like Team of the Years or big players. Team of the Year Modric! Yes! 96 Team of the Year Modric. I wish I had an account so I could save this. Yes! Team of the Year Modric. 895k. What are you saying? Whew! Team of the Year Modric. Okay, who are we getting? Oh, Felipe Luis. He's quite good, but this pack is with 87k. But Modric though, Oh, Ozil. He's pretty good. Ozil and PK. This wasn't a bad pack. Actually, is it that bad of a pack? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, Team of the Year packs are better than Team of the Season packs. We getting. Oh, biscuits. Oh no. Biscuits? Seriously? And Totti's retired. Okay. Oh, Team of the Year Cruz! Team of the Year Cruz! Yes! Team of the Year Cruz. There we go. And Asensio. Yes! Team of the Year Cruz. Okay. He's maybe a little bit slow, but he's a Team of the Year. Let's go on to the next pack. This has been so good and so fun. Okay. Okay, Pastore. Next pack. Okay, come on, just do it. Xabi Alonso. I was just about to celebrate. Oh no. Lampard! They're giving me Lampard, are they serious? He's like as slow as Mertesacker. Oh, another Modric? I mean, that's good, but... like, another Modric? No, I would have expected, like, Messi or something. Messi, Ronaldo, anyone! Seriously, anyone! Messi, Ronaldo, Team of the Year, Suarez, anybody! Come on, give me a Team of the Year. Jonas. These packs are pretty good, but yeah, sometimes they're like pretty bad. Okay, come on, please, Futbin, help me. Futbin, come on. Oh, Team of the Year Ramos. Yes, Team of the Year Ramos. Boom. 96 rated. There we go. Team of the Year Ramos. Let's get into this. Okay. Oh, Lukaku! Yes! He's pretty good. He scores a goal every single match in friendly matches. Where is he? What? Oh, there he is. No, Lukaku's pretty good, but he's only 84 rated, but he's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Pogba, yes! He's really good. Yes, Pogba. Okay, who is the next one? Wait, oh, Mastrama. Seriously? Wow, yay. Well, I mean, Futbin. Wow. Mascherano, seriously? Okay. We have Smalling, he's not good. I don't know if we're gonna get a good player soon. What? Oh, it's Inform Eriksson. Oh, that's pretty good. Inform's pretty good. Not that bad. Inform. That's not bad at all. Okay, come on. Matuidi. Yeah. It's pretty good. Same rating as Inform Eriksson. Next. Let's go. We need some more packs. We need some more of these packs. Come on. Ah, De Gea. Uninformed company. Oh, that's not a bad pack. BPL side going on. Oh, we got Messi. Oh, he's Borini. Okay. Next pack. Come on. Just give me some more. Just give me some good players. Just give me some just give me like Messi or something. Oh, come on, Carrasco again. The animation's like pretty good of these packs. It's just a website. Okay, come on. That's why I like this website, because they're really good packs. Come on. Why do I keep getting Ericsson? Oh. Come on. I need to finish these packs. Come on. I need to go through these packs. Come on. Oh my, Farman! Seriously? Why do you keep giving me 84 rated? Okay, come on, we can do this. We can do this. Okay, come on. Let's go. He's pretty good in real life, but on FIFA he's not that good. Come on. Just give me any good player. I just want a good player. Please, a player over 90 rated. Oh my, Glick. I just want a player over 90 rated, and then I can end it there. A player over 90 rated. An over 90 rated player. Come on, please. Come on, just... Douglas Costa. Okay. I need to be calm. I need to open these packs while I'm calm. Not angry that I'm not getting any good players. Come on. No! Don't give me Isco. Come on, give me some really good players. Like give me a Messi, give me a Ronaldo, give me a Suarez, give me a Neymar, give me Ooh, Ramos. I said I wanted over 90 rated. I'm keeping that. Ramos is 89 rated. I need a player over 90 rated. 90 rated. Okay. Come on, 90 rated or over. Just give me like Lewandowski or something. 9 goal. Oh, his team of the season card is sick. It's amazing. Oh no! I just changed the language. Oh, sorry guys, I just changed the language. Okay, let's go. Another pack. Kevin Navas. Yeah, he's Oh, Salah, the Liverpool one. Yes, he's pretty good. They should make his rating like 85 or something. Mata, it's not that good. Not good. I need some like, I just give me Lewandowski. Just give me something like that. Just give me like 90 rated. Garay. Come on, open the packs. Come on, I need some good players. Come on. Oh, Bender. Seriously, Bender. Okay, so this is my thing. I'm gonna open 3 more of these packs, and then 3 more of the team of the season packs, and then that's it. That's gonna be the end of the video. 3 more of these packs, and then that's it. Come on. Oh, Godza. Okay, this is my second last pack. Okay. It's opening. Oh, Brahimi. Okay. So, this is the last pack. No. Why do I keep wanting to change the language? I don't know why. It's just glitchy. What? I didn't click to change the language and it changed it. Wow! Thank you, Futbin! Okay. Okay. Oh, Vertonghen. So those packs done. Next ones. We're gonna open 3 more of these packs and then we're done. Then we're done here. Oh, storage. Not good. This is not going well. Okay. Let's get straight into this. Okay. Benzema, that's pretty good. 87 rating. Benzema, pretty good. Oh, and I got a team of the season. A silver team of the season. Okay, I think this is my last pack of the day. Be good, please. Don't be a really bad player. Oh. Oh my. Oh. I got an idea. Okay, just for you guys, I am gonna open one more pack. One more pack. Come on. This is my last pack of the day. I really want to end on a good player, not Horn. Come on, Mandanda. Oh. So, yeah. I believe that's going to be the end of the video there, guys. If you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated. And, yeah. That's all I've got for today. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!